I would like, I would request all the dignitaries and participants to kindly stand on their respective places for the university Kulgi. Now I request Dr. Sudhir Narayan Singh sir to facilitate our respected Vice Chancellor sir with a token of gratitude. I would request Professor S.C. Jaiswal sir to kindly felicitate our chief guest for today's occasion, Professor Dr. Rajendra Kumar Nayak sir. Now I would request the convener of the conference, Dr. Sudhir Narayan sir, to kindly address the gathering.
Good morning and greetings of the day. Today we have sailed off the way of this unique sort of uniquely designed program that is Roadmap to Viksit Bharat 2047 in partnership with Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology and KIPM College of Management. The kind of support we received from our partner institute is overwhelming, and the way they received us and welcomed us, and the gesture, academic gesture of resource person and their deliberation we have received is marvelous. I extend my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to the institute over there and the dedication of Dr. Javir Pratap Singh, Director of IPM Technical Campus. Here is the second day, and it starts with in the campus of Aryabhatta Hall, Madan Mohan Malviya University of Technology, and under the chief patronage of our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor J.T. Sani sir. We have no words. I am calling up words to extend my gratitude to our mentor, Professor S.C. Jaiswal sir. He helped us every way possible at every stage. And because of his mentorship and motivation, this was possible, sir. I extend thank you and thanks a lot. And the idea came, sir, with our student exchange of the IPM students should come to us and our students should go there and we should have some program this way. But this gradually became national conference and we received papers from even IIM Lucknow Noida campus and speakers of all around the neighboring states of us. They decided to bless us and we received 81 abstracts. And even we had to close our registration link one day before as registration cost 150 plus approx. Then we decided that we will make it more deeper than making it wider. So for that purpose we close the registration link and we come up to this shape. It would not have been possible to host a conference of such magnitude without the support of our, women supporters and great ladies from who is contributing a lot from the different corners of Gorakhpur in their respective states. I am humbled to see Ma'am Sunita Singh's dedication. Her husband was in hospital, sir, day before, and he said, कि अभी मेरी तरफ से ना नहीं है, I will try to make it happen, and that salute goes to women and their dedication that they extended. See, if the manager technical campus KITM and if KITM is growing by leaps and bounds, credit goes to such mentors over there, such leaders over there, and in their leadership, your commitment shows that how committed are you for that. I am thankful that to the again doctors, two additional CMOs and one district deputy tuberculosis officer who said that I will be addressing on human health and that how it is being affected financially and the drawing back relation backwards, how can we can handle the human health and make country march forward.